welcome to our crib. So right now we are in Bali, Indonesia, city of Canggu. And as you can tell, we became a scooter brigade just yesterday. So now we get to rip around on scooters as a team, except for Riker in Russia, who opted for the larger, more powerful, more gears bikes. Have you figured out if this is supposed to be attached to anything yet?
No, not yet.
All right, cool. So right now we've been hooked up with the Juno Villa and Spa. So right off the bat, courtyard, pond, both kind of cool. All the rooms are the same, really, so I'm just gonna show you a couple. They're also all named after like flowers, except for olive. I don't know if olive's a flower. Somebody can look it up and let me know in the comments, that'd be great. Let's head on into Ivy. This is Josh's bedroom. Oh, look, we got Josh here right now. Good job out there, pal. Come with me. This one's Lily. This is Justice and Kenzo's room. Oh, look, we got Justice and Kenzo here right now.
Back at it again.
Hey there, fellas.
What about me? So boys.
Right, I just wanted you to see this little baggie of ice. We had a freak accident doing mad backflips off of humans earlier today. I mean, it was pretty sick, so that's cool, but unfortunately got a slight injury, so we're doing what we can to recover and recuperate so we can get back at it as soon as we can. Hey, you wanna go upstairs? You good with that? This is Rose. This is where Russia and Mindy stay. Same really, they're just a little bit higher up and they don't have the really sick bathroom bathtub combo that we all have, which I wanna show you right now. Okay, this is my room. I named her Daisy. Actually, she was already named Daisy. I just call her by her name, which is completely appropriate. Nice big bed. Nice, I guess patio, I will call it. Just if you want to get outside, get some, I don't know, nature in your own room with your own privacy. I don't think we really spend a lot of time out here, any of us, but we've got them and it's cool just because we have them. Now this is the pièce de résistance, if you will. Big friggin' bathtub. You can fit 3 people comfortably in this thing. I don't know why, but like, it's sweet. And then on top of that, we've got this little bathroom outside area with an outdoor shower. There we go. Like, how cool is this though? We are literally exposed to the elements, so if it's raining, you don't even need it, but you're also like in your own private quarters with 10 feet walls made of stone. Let's walk. Damn.
Sick tool shed, bro.
So here's the rest of the villa. This is the meat and potatoes, hashtag Riker, of the whole place. First, we'll start off here on the right. This is the Palabra. Kenzo told me earlier and I've already forgotten. Riker, how you doing, bud? Reading a book. Getting a little bit of downtime, you know, we work hard, we relax hard. What are you reading?
Hard.
Hard. He's reading hard. This is our big 4 table into 1 table, make a big lawn table. We eat our breakfasts here and sometimes we snack here, but mainly this is for work sessions. At most times in the day, we've got about 8 or 9 laptops and 8 or 9 people all plugging away at it. Honestly, I have fun filming what we have in the fridge because you never know what you're gonna get. I don't think it's anything to be excited about, but let's see. Okay, not much. Got some juice, some mangosteens. We have 1 bintang left and some box wine. Ooh, and some ultra milk chocolate. Boom! And then one last thing to show you here. This is our pool area where sometimes people like Mindy the Lion will come and use their phones. It's actually a really hot pool. I don't know if I like that better or worse, but it's like halfway to a hot tub. It is really nice, but if you're hot, which we often are, it won't really cool you down too much. But we do have another outdoor shower right here. So we got showers just about everywhere in this place. We got bathrooms galore. The only thing we're missing is more bintangs, but that's our fault. That's our problem, not anyone else's. I think that pretty much encompasses the whole villa. Juno Villa in Canggu, Bali. I think I need to go have a cold shower and then maybe go for a rip on our motorcycle, pick up some more bintangs and fill up our fridge because she's looking pretty barren. So thanks for joining us on our tour of the Juno Villa, and I hope to catch you next time. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below on the YouTube video, and we will be happy to read and respond to all of them. Until next time, fellas, goodbye.
Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up, boy.
70, 71.
10 seconds,
72,
pump it.
73.
Give it to me.
74,
Don't you stop.
75,
Don't you stop for me now. Don't you stop now.
77,
You will die here today. You will not stop.
That's it. 78. Well done, dude. That's pretty ballin'.
Holy shit.
All right, my turn.
Wow.
That was 4, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Boom, done. 70 half push-ups.
Hey, so it's day 2. Everyone's kind of just chilling and getting work done today. We don't really have any other plans at the moment, and we've got a ton of work to do. I'm getting a little bit restless. I kind of want to handstand walk down those stairs, but I don't know if I can do it. And I don't know if I may hurt myself trying. If for some reason it works and I make it to the bottom and still have a little bit of energy left and think I might be able to make the walk, I'm gonna go to the pool.
Why do you say if?
Because I'm
When do you say
actually-
when?
I've never done anything. I've never done stairs of this stature. I always do the short, long stairs.
Yeah, well, I think you got this.
That was so hard. Oh, that was so hard. My arms. I can't move my arms or my back.
I was worried in that last 5 feet there that you weren't gonna make it.
I had to dig really deep for that one.
you did, man.
I wanted to quit. I wanted to quit so bad.
Yeah, did you want me to film this next one?
I'm really happy that I did it.
Yeah, good work, man. Good man.
So after a long morning of working, we've decided we need to go get some food. We've made our way to, was it food next door? Something next door?
Let's go next door.
Next door. Now it's lunchtime.
At 3 p.m.
We've got a round of 100% pure deliciousness, which it claims one shot has 1 kilogram of deliciousness. Do you believe it? Do you?
Cool thing about Bali is the bikes. Look at this guy.
So nice.
You having fun?
Yeah, I really want to rip it, but
Get it. That's a cool little duster, eh? 250cc.
go on another road trip?
Almost.
Boy's all grown up now.
That bike sounds nice,
all grown
eh?
up now.
So this black boy, Black Mamba, that's mine. She's all matted out, all black, all beautiful 250cc's. And get this, about 15 American dollars a day for this bad girl. You don't have to put down no deposit, you don't have to do nothing, no nothing. Just give it to you. So, have you decided you in? You look good on it.
Yeah, I know I do.
You look fresh.
I'll ask him.
What he said.
Just one.
Dua orang boleh. Dua orang boleh duduk sini. Boleh tapi sedikit. Kecil.
For a little pussy.
Little boy. Get your girlfriend.
Ya, positif.
What do you think? Yes, no? Yeah, okay, stamp of approval. Boom. Okay.
friends, we just finished a fun game of spike ball on the beach during sunset. Now we're chilling at a place called The Lawn in Canggu. Very well known on Instagram. If you haven't already, check it out. This place is cool. It's a little expensive, a little posh. Men must wear t-shirts. No singlets allowed. You must desand yourself before entering the area. And you have to put a credit card down if you want to sit at one of these areas, which is a first for us in all of Asia, I'd probably say. So, nonetheless, today will be fun. Last night in Canggu! Woo!